Ready to unlock the secrets of your website and turn visitors into loyal customers? First, head over to the Google Analytics website, that's analyticsgoogle.com, and sign in with your Google account if you don't have one. Creating one is quick and free. Now, click on the Start Measuring button. You'll be prompted to set up an account. Give your account a name. And be sure to carefully review and accept the data sharing settings. This is important for understanding how your data is used. Next, you'll set up a property. This represents your website. Enter your website name, select your reporting time zone and currency, and click Next. Tell Google Analytics about your business by selecting your industry category and business size. This helps them provide more relevant insights. Select your business objectives, like generate leads or drive online sales. These will tailor the reports to show the data most relevant to your goals. Now choose a platform to measure. In this case, web. Enter your website URL, give your data stream a name, and click Create Stream. This generates your Google tag. You'll need to copy this code and paste it into the head greater than section of every page of your website, tracking all of the metrics in almost real time. If you are using WordPress, there is a plugin to do this. Then you can go back to the dashboard and see all of your website's valuable data.